How to use Crazy Egg analytics and Heatmaps properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Crazy Egg is one of the most powerful tools for understanding how visitors interact with your website, but most beginners make mistakes that led to wasted insights and missed conversions. You won't believe how many websites collect data but fail to act on it effectively. The first big mistake is not setting up proper tracking. Crazy Egg offers heatmaps, scrollmaps, confetti reports, and more. But if you don't correctly place tracking code on all key pages, your data will be incomplete. For example, missing the checkout page tracking can leave you blind to where customers drop off. Another common error is overloading on data without context. Heatmaps show clicks and scrolling patterns, but many beginners assume every click is meaningful. You need to correlate heatmap insights with actual conversion metrics to understand which elements drive sales and which are distractions. Ignoring AB testing is another costly oversight. Crazy Egg allows you to test variations of page layouts, buttons, and calls to action. Beginners often make changes based on gut feelings rather than validated data. For instance, moving a Buy Now button from the bottom to the top of a product page could increase conversions, but only if you test and measure the impact. Many users also misinterpret scrollmaps. Scrolling doesn't always equal engagement. Visitors might scroll quickly past content they ignore. Pairing scrollmaps with time on page data helps you identify content that actually captures attention. Finally, not acting on insights is the biggest mistake. Data is only valuable if you use it to optimize your site. Identify friction points, adjust page design, test changes, and continuously refine based on results. To use Crazy Egg effectively, ensure full tracking, analyze data with context, leverage AB testing, interpret scroll behavior carefully, and take action on insights. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and you'll transform visitor behavior into higher engagement and more conversions.